Hello my lovely foodies and welcome again to Recipes You Like. In this video tutorial we are going to make tomato mixed veg soup. This is super delicious and super healthy and easy to make. So let's get started. In a heavy bottomed big vessel we are going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and then add to it 1 onion made into a paste. Over a medium to high heat saute the onions till it starts changing color. And after the onion paste starts getting light golden in color, we will add to it half a teaspoon of shredded or grated ginger and a teaspoonful of garlic paste. Continue sauteing for 30 seconds to a minute and then go ahead and add 1 cup of broccoli florets, a cup of fresh peas, a cup of thinly sliced green garlic stems or stalk, then a cup of thinly sliced or chopped French beans, a cup of finely chopped carrot, a cup of chopped capsicum, and a cup of finely chopped cabbage. Other than these, you can add any other vegetable of your choice. Add salt as per your taste or a teaspoon of it. Over medium to high heat, keep on sauteing the veggies till they settle down a bit and get tender. This can take you about 12 to 15 minutes. And next we will add about 1.5 liters of water, a cup full of tomato puree. Giving it a stir, we will add half a teaspoon of Carom seeds. Rub carom seeds between your palm before adding. This gives a nice flavor. Last, for flavoring, we will also add half a teaspoon of pepper. Giving it a stir, we will let our soup to boil. Meanwhile, we will keep ready a tablespoonful of corn flour. To this, we will add about 1/4 cup of water. Give it a stir. This will help our soup to get thick. We will keep this ready aside. Soup has come to a boil. Let's now cover it. And let this cook over a low to medium heat for about 15 minutes. After 15 to 17 minutes of boiling, let's now remove the cover. You can notice a change in the color. It has become now more reddish in color and the veggies have also become soft. At this point we will add the made corn syrup, but before adding, give it a stir. And after adding corn syrup, we will let the soup boil for about 5 minutes before we put off the gas stove. And yay, our tomato mixed veg soup is ready. We can serve this hot with any kind of a bread. If you like the recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, share, comment, subscribe, hitting the bell icon. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter. Till we meet again with another interesting recipe, try out this one and bye bye.